traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, yeah, the Aussie has been very, very strong to the downside. We are getting close to making an engulfing candle. I would say at this point it's probably pretty clear that it is probably going to go down and at least retest these lows before it does end up going back up. Which is definitely isn't what I originally thought, but luckily we just go with the flow, so it's not too big of a deal. Heading down to the weekly time frame, we are getting closer and closer to the breaker structure on the weekly. We are below the 78% Fibonacci retracement on this last push up. Normally when you go below the 78%, price will go down and at least take out the 100%. So I definitely would still continue to be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Now going down to the daily time frame, I know a lot of people are looking at this pattern and thinking that it's time to start looking for logs, but there's really no reason to say this trend is over. And honestly, the fact that it's closing below the 78% tells me that it almost definitely will take out the 100%. So I would expect it to go at least down to here and maybe even further. Based on the higher time frames, I mean, it looks like it could just keep on going down, making lower lows and lower highs. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, our most recent structure is still right here. Now, this looks like it's going to make a new lower low today. If it does make a new lower low, then I'll move my structure from here to here, which will give us an even closer area for a possible break of structure to the upside, which, when we do get that break of structure on a properly tuned time frame, that pretty much proves to me that this whole move down is complete. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, I left my Fibonacci retracement on here. I did short this yesterday. I caught most of this move down. I didn't short it this morning because it happened so early in the London session. But look at this move right here. Impulsive up. 1, 2, 3 down. Impulsive up. 50% Fibonacci respected. Lower high, lower high. I've been telling you for weeks to do nothing but look for shorts. Engulfing move to the downside, leading to another amazing trend trade. Don't try to identify the tops and bottoms. Just continue to look for continuation patterns on these shorter time frames until the higher roadmap time frames tell us that this trend is complete, which they definitely have not done so yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.